Next, let's take a look at the reports that are available for compliance standards. I can access the reports page by either clicking the tab from the overview page or by clicking the tab that's in the menu. So either way, I'm going to be taken to the same page. And when I navigate to the reports page, I see a list of all the reports that have been configured and that are now available for download. The columns provide a summary of the information that each report entails. So for the top report, I have the cloud regions all, the name of the report, the type, which is based on the compliance standard that I'm reporting on, the cloud type, and the cloud accounts as listed here. In the right-hand column, for some reports, I have the option to download or to delete the report. And if the report was created to be recurring, I have the option to disable that recurring schedule. I can edit the schedule of how often the report is generated, so I can modify the schedule. I have one other option, and that's to look at the history of how often the report was generated. I can also use the filters to limit the number of reports that are being displayed in the table at any given time. If I want to add a new report, I can navigate to the compliance dashboard page, so back to the overview. I can initially apply filters, so let's go ahead and apply a filter to just include AWS accounts. And then I need to choose a compliance standard, so let's choose SOC 2. So now that I've chosen my standard, I have the option over here on the right to create report. I can give the report a name. So we'll call this report AWS SOC 2 Weekly. I have the option to configure my email. And then I can make this a recurring report. I mentioned in the name of the report it would be weekly, so the time interval is weekly. Every week on Monday, I don't want this at 9 p.m. That's not a good time. Let's go to 3 a.m. And then I can save the report.